Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log into Freecash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser and go to the website freecash.com. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button that says log. Click on it. Now you will see different options. If you signed up using email, enter your email address and password, then click login. If you signed up using Google, click on continue with Google and choose your Google account. If you use another method like Discord or Steam, choose the same method you used when creating your account. Always use the same login method you used during sign up. If you use a different method, it may create a new account. After entering your details, Freecash will log in you automatically. If your information is correct, you will be taken to the Freecash dashboard. This means you are now successfully logged in. And that's it. That's how you log into Freecash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.